If you are buying distressed properties at Texas foreclosure auctions, it is important to understand several key factors before you bid. The purchase price at a courthouse auction can appear attractive, but it often does not reflect the title problems that come with the property. These issues do not disappear at the auction. They may actually transfer directly to the buyer. Texas is primarily a non-judicial foreclosure state, meaning most foreclosures proceed through a trustee sale under a deed of trust rather than through the courts. Under Texas property code, all non-judicial foreclosure auctions are held on the first Tuesday of every month at the county courthouse. Before the sale, the lender is required to provide at least 21 days' notice, mailed to the borrower, posted at the courthouse, and filed with the county clerk. When attending the auction, payment is typically required in certified funds on the day of the sale. There is no financing contingency, and in most cases, no opportunity to inspect the interior beforehand. Under Texas property code, the foreclosure purchaser acquires the property as is without any express or implied warranties entirely at their own risk. That single statutory provision is responsible for a significant share of the post-acquisition disputes investors encounter because the purchaser is buying whatever comes with the property, both known and unknown. In practice, distressed properties often have gaps in their ownership history, such as improperly executed deeds, missing signatures, unreleased prior liens, or title issues that predate the foreclosure. These defects are not cleared at the auction. They transfer to the purchaser and may surface when attempting to sell or refinance. Not all liens are extinguished by a foreclosure sale. Whether a specific lien survives depends on its priority and the type of foreclosure. Tax liens, in particular, can carry super priority over other encumbrances, meaning they may survive even when a senior mortgage lien is foreclosed. When title defects surface after closing, the typical remedy is a quiet title action, a lawsuit to establish clear ownership and remove competing claims from the public record. This is a legitimate and commonly used tool in Texas real estate litigation, but it requires time and resources that most investors do not anticipate. Quiet title action is a legal remedy used to establish clear ownership of a property. It addresses defects by removing competing claims of record, ensuring the rightful owner is recognized. This process is essential when some defects require litigation to resolve ownership disputes. Real protection in property investment begins before the auction. Conduct a bankruptcy check, review the chain of title, assess tax delinquency, and perform a thorough title search. Skipping any step increases risk. Discipline before bidding is crucial for investor leverage. Distressed acquisitions demand thorough preparation. Legal and title risks can be managed with due diligence. Consulting an attorney either before or after acquisition can help identify potential title issues early.